If you get a new mobile phone but decide to keep the same number, or you're locked out of Duo, you'll want to update your existing device. Open your preferred browser and visit 2fa.cmu.edu. Then log in with your Andrew user ID and password. The two-factor authentication self-service page displays. Since we're already registered for two-factor authentication, click Add a new device to 2FA. A list of the devices you've currently enrolled in two-factor authentication will display. Select the device you would like to update, then click Continue. Choose to have either a hyperlink or a passcode texted to you to reconnect to Duo. We'll choose a hyperlink, then click Continue. Next, indicate whether or not you've installed the Duo mobile app on your device. We've already installed it, so we'll indicate that we have and click Continue. You should receive a text message with a link to Duo on your device. Tap the link and choose to open it in your Duo app if prompted. Now you've updated your device with Duo.